So anyhow, I was wondering if maybe I could take you out to dinner sometime.
Oh, honey, you are so far out of your league that you're playing a completely different sport. I bought a bunch of fresh donuts for my construction workers, and as you can see, bought a few too many. So I thought maybe you and I could... Susan.
Hey there, Edie.
What are you...
Mike and I got back together.
Super.
I knew you'd be happy for us. So what's going on?
Edie was just about to...
Free donuts. Want them or not?
How sweet. Thanks. Why don't you go put these on a plate? Oh, and save me one with sprinkles. I cannot believe you were still coming on to him.
You said you two were finished. You thought he was a murderer.
And that was your cue to come over and flirt? You know, I'm gonna run home and get some milk to go with those donuts.
Hey, it's a shame you got to keep running back and forth.
Well, I can't have donuts and juice. It's unnatural.
No. I mean, we should move in together. Come on, what do you say?
I say, oh.
But don't you think she and Mike are moving a little fast? I mean, 2 days ago, she was thinking he was a murderer, and now she's moving in with him?
And when she found out it was in self-defense, I think they've cleared everything up.
Yeah, good point.
Mike's a decent guy.
Yeah, that's true. Of course, there was the gunshot wound.
That's right. Did he ever explain?
Bonjour. Oh, hi. I didn't know that the cooking lesson was going to be a group activity. Well, the more the merrier, right? As long as nobody makes fun of my lousy crepes.
I know it seems like we're ganging up on you, but you were moving so fast, we thought a sort of intervention was necessary.
Oh, honey, you are so far out of your league.
Out of one's league. Someone or something is too good or expensive for someone to have. That job offer seemed amazing, but I knew it was out of my league. He wants to ask her out, but he feels she's way out of his league.
But my husband, I first met him at this wedding, and he's much better looking than me. He's way out of my league. And I saw him, and I was like, oh my God, who is that?
What do you...
Mike and I got back together.
Get back together. Do you think we should get back together, or is it better to move on? Rumor has it that the band might get back together for a reunion tour next year.
Honestly, I think you dodged a bullet. I don't think she was right for you.
Howie, shh.
What?
You can't badmouth Anu. They're gonna get back together and you're gonna look like a jerk. I mean, remember when we broke up and Penny said all those mean things about you?
I cannot believe you were still coming on to him.
Come on to someone. To show sexual interest in someone. I felt uncomfortable because he was coming on to me at the party, even after I told him I wasn't interested. She was just being friendly, but he thought he was coming on to him.
You know, guys come on to her all the time, so you need to, set yourself apart. You know, be a little shy.
No. I mean, we should move in together.
Move in with someone. To start living with someone in the same house or apartment. He asked me to move in with him, but I'm not sure if I'm ready yet. When her lease ended, she decided to move in with her sister.
I think they've cleared everything up.
Yeah, good point.
Clear up. To solve or explain something. Tidy something up by removing rubbish or other unwanted items. I hope this meeting will clear up any confusion about the new project. The sky was cloudy this morning, but it's starting to clear up now. I need to clear up my desk before the meeting starts.
Is there anything you want to tell me to clear this up?
It's cleared up. You could just go round the block if you're still not feeling steady.
Well, the more the merrier, right?
The more the merrier. The more people or things there are, the more enjoyable or better something will be. Do you mind if we bring a few friends to the party? Of course not. The more the merrier. I brought an extra cake to the potluck. The more the merrier, right?
All the other cousins are sleeping over tonight.
The more the merrier.
Okay, see you tonight. Bye-bye.
I know it seems like we're ganging up on you, but you were moving so fast.
Gang up on. Multiple people or groups join forces to criticize, attack, or oppose someone, either physically or verbally. Don't gang up on her just because she has a different opinion. During the debate, the other candidates ganged up on him.
Fine, gang up on me. I got you all right where I want you.
Come on, take them off. And how do you feel right now?
Out of my league.
I meant your breathing.
New York Times. Great. Are you and Susan getting back together? What do you think?
Oh, it's all very amicable.
There's Carol Logan. Is she sitting with Bonzi Folsom? Mm-hmm. Looks like he's coming on to her, and I don't see his entourage anywhere.
I'm the kind of person that wants to move forward. Move in with me.
What was that about? Nothing. Just clearing something up.
Thank you.
But redundant now that I'm back aboard the Enterprise.
And yet, the more the merrier. Have a seat, Doctor.
Yeah, they're all crowding in on you, Mr. Harding. They all ganging up on you.
Is that news?